Hello everybody, welcome to another episode. Yes, it is that time of the year, New South Wales Supra Club entrance cruise, and it always falls close to Andrew Hall's birthday. So Andrew Hall, happy birthday buddy. This is actually going to be bigger than the Canberra cruise. We're actually expecting about probably more than 50 Supras, so this is a big thing. Everybody goes to this one, so I'm pretty excited. It's a beautiful day. Temperatures are going to be around 25 degrees, so it's beautiful just to go for a drive. Not too hot, not too cold. If you're new to this channel, my name's Daniel Jovanov, aka Human Car Sounds. That is Project Lynn, tuned and built by Unique Automotive, and we'll go see who's around and what cars are here. Owner, Dan, Lexus.
Hello.
You've changed, bro. No, honestly, I'm not gonna give you shit. I'm not gonna give you shit, but honestly, for a Lexus, it does look nice, bro.
Thanks, man. Yeah.
You've stepped up.
Come a long way.
Is it weird because I've got a Lexus now as well, and I feel like I have to be cool?
Yeah, no, you are cool. You're definitely cooler. Yeah.
I just need your engine in my car.
That's true. That'd make it go a bit faster.
You know what? But when you look at a stock one and you look at this, it's come a long way, dude,
Yeah.
from what you had it. When are the mods going on, dude?
What do you mean mods? It's got all. Look at the rear end.
Like forced induction.
No, don't have 20 grand.
There's any aftermarket guys out there that want to sponsor Daniel for some R&D work? Hit him up. Pressure.
Yeah, I don't want to crunch it now.
Look, they're still rolling in.
If you're wondering who Andrew Hall is, that's the birthday boy, and this is the one that started the whole entrance cruise. How long has it been now since you started this?
2006 we started.
2006. Actually, I did find a video the other day from 2008, I think it was. Yep.
Is that the one with the red car at the start? That's actually 2006.
It was 2006.
Yeah,
I think Uncle's in there with his Celica as well. Back in Wow.
Absolutely. That was a good year. There was a lot of cars that year.
Nah, it's good. Well then, happy birthday, Andrew Hall.
Thanks, mate.
Close. And you want to start a YouTube channel?
Don't high five me. It's too early right now, Danny.
It's too early for this?
She hasn't had her coffee yet. I need coffee. Is there even anywhere to get coffee?
Yeah, there's Macca's down there.
Yeah, we don't have Macca's anymore.
Yeah, that was our New Year's resolution.
Yep, Lynn.
Stop. Oh, always picking on me.
Listen, it's just this. I didn't even know it still existed, dude. So it's making me happy that it's back here. Okay.
No, your message. It was all your message. That's what it
Was
was.
that really?
Your inspiration.
Thanks, bro. So the Popo, it's an NA. Sorry. So if the Highway Patrol want to say anything, it's an NA.
And it was illegal for and it was.
How are you?
Good, mate.
It's about time you came to one of these cruises. You've painted like half the cars here, bro.
What can I say?
It's good seeing you. beeping out while I could hear it over here, eh?
Are you filming me again?
Pressure's on.
Thank you everyone for coming. It's wonderful to see so many people out here. The route has changed up to the entrance slightly from last year, if you came last year. We are staying on the Pacific Highway to the Cowan rest stop. Or Cowan if you're Ian, because he tells me I say it wrong. Fantastic, let's get through.
Have you gone toilet?
No.
To do a slight detour. Uncle just gave me a call and said that there's some road works, so the route has changed, the route has changed, so we're just following the pack and hopefully we don't get lost. So we got lost and all the other Supra Club are over there in the hot spot, so thank God we found them. We're close to the highway. Yeah, a little bit of traffic trying to get everyone together, but now that we're on the highway we can all be together, and this is going to be fun.
Danny,
Yeah.
remember last year?
Oh my god! It's human car sounds!
Oh my goodness. Just want to give a shout out to Ryan. 2 years ago we worked on doing it ceramic, what was it? Ceramic coating?
G-Technique, ceramic coating.
And it's still coming up.
That's alright, you know, as long as
So good. Still nice and fresh. What we're supposed to do every 6 months, you were saying?
Spray sealant, but we haven't
Even done it once.
for 2 years, and it's still awesome.
Hey Dan, got the racing slick shoes on once again.
New model, mate. New model.
Oh, Jake, yes, Jake. Give me that slow-mo ice cream, come on. Sorry, pals, just getting that cluster. Well, the entrance cruise is done. We're about to go home. Sorry I couldn't get as much footage as I wanted to, but as we all know with cruises, we all can't go together. Just depends on traffic, red lights, whatever. Courtney's there.
no worries. I'm not driving this time, I'm too lazy.
We're just going forward driving right now.
Stay safe.
Just
Stand once, cut the grass. It's really bumpy.
Oh, I hate this.
I'll get out. Weight reduction.
Nah, you're saying it's ugly. Great success! Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe.